I don't know, New Mexico, not New Mexico, Texas time. We're in the hotel. We're getting ready to go. It's my wife, she's super pumped. She's stoked. She's like, let's buy another one. So I'm tired, she's tired. And today we have 900 miles to do. The bug's holding up fairly well. Let's see if I show you guys a picture of the bug. The limo action is sitting outside the hotel. See the old limo? So anyway, she started, she feels like she's running a little, I don't know, maybe loosen up all the carb stuff. It could be just the way it's been. Last night I started getting a smell of like a gear oil smell. I didn't want to pull over and check it because we had a long way to go. So rolled it down a little bit. I'll inspect it this morning. And then on the road, we got 900 miles to do today. So we left yesterday. We left San Antonio, stopped by the Alamo, wasted $10 to park for 5 minutes just to get a picture in front of the Alamo. And then from the Alamo, we drove to San Antonio, then to Waco, so we could go by Chip and Joanna's place, and a place that's on TV, whatever. We're tourists, just like you guys. So went by there, took some pictures, bought 2 boxes of cupcakes. I don't know if the cupcakes will make it back. And then from there to, where are we at right now? We're in, we're not even out of Texas yet. We're trying, we're in, oh, what is it? Lubbock, Texas. Thanks, babe. We're in Lubbock, Texas. Say hi, Megan.
Hi.
All right. Anyway, we're in Lubbock, Texas. Got 900 miles to do today. We'll see. We'll push it out. See what we do. Hopefully, fingers crossed. Good luck. Later.
If I've had better days, then they're hard to remember. I was stuck in a blender before we met, there wasn't anything. But I've been on a high since the moment I saw you, and there's nothing I won't do for you now.
Megan, how are you feeling today? Good. You're alert and awake. You got your all business glasses on. No more messing around.
No.
Me, I've got my comfortable Grand Canyon zip-up hoodie. You know, I'm just commercialized, and we're driving through Lubbock, Texas, which I've never been through Lubbock, Texas before, but I don't know, quote me if I'm wrong on this, but this looks just like Albuquerque. And we are headed to Albuquerque this morning. The plan was to get something to drink when we fill up, and I haven't seen a gas station yet. We'll probably get one, I would think, before we hop on the main interstate, but who knows? We're rolling. My wife is so cool, such a trooper to roll on this trip with me. But then again, who wouldn't want to hang out with me in a stinky old limo bug? Nobody but her. So, all right, check back with you guys later.